Welcome to the infrared with Doogee S86 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So unfortunately we have not installed by default the AD feature here. That's why we should go into the Play Store application, and here in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge. No, the Muviz. And now we should get this application. So let's find it. I think that okay, so we should get this on this application. So now just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just open the app here, click drop over apps, and now just here click once on the switcher, go back to the application, click to the AOD, select one from the stem. For example, I'll go with this one, then just click here to apply, and now we can just check. Oh, sorry. Yeah, and we can see now that the always on display feature is activated successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.